Hi guys, here 3 plus 6 is 9 times 5 plus 4 divided by 3 minus 7. Here 9 times 5 plus 4 is 9 divided by 3 minus 7. Here 9 times 9 is 81 divided by 3 minus 7. Here 81 divided by 3 is 27 minus 7. Here 27 minus 7 is 20 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 20 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operation, the bracket is higher priority. So, we have to do this bracket before any other operation. Here, 3 plus 6 times, the bracket here is 5 plus 4 is 9. Divided by this 3 minus 7. Here we have next priority is exponent. We don't have the exponent in this problem. So, next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication and division in this problem. So, we have to do this multiplication division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 6 times 9. We have to do this 6 times 9 before any other operation. So 3 plus 6 times 9 is 54 divided by this 3 minus 7. Here we have division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction as per this order of operation. So we have to do this division before this operation. So 3 plus 54 divided by 3 is 18 minus 7. Here we have addition and subtraction. Both are here equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this one. So 3 plus 18 is 21 minus 7 is 21 minus 7 is 14 is the correct answer.